Hey, what's up, Traeger Hood? It's Ryan Turley here. Let me guess, you just picked up a Traeger Ironwood series grill, or you're highly considering it? Well, I just picked up an Ironwood 885, and I'm gonna be doing the initial seasoning and burn-in of this pellet smoker. You can use the same technique for the Ironwood 650, the Pro models, as well as the Timberlines. I'm also gonna be showing you the entire features list of the Ironwood series, so let's get into it. So before we get started, I just want to point out this yellow cap that's covering the temperature probe inside of the main smoke chamber. You're definitely going to want to take that off. So just take your time, make sure you've removed any plastic or tape from your grill, and then plug it in. And now we are going to set up this grill on the Traeger app. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see Add New Grill. Then select your grill. This is the Ironwood 885. Then using the camera on your phone, go ahead and scan this QR code on the underside of the Pellet Hopper door. This will connect your grill to the Traeger app, and now we just connect it to our home Wi-Fi. Once connected, we can name our grill, and we're good to go. All right, so let's get on with this seasoning. We're gonna load this 20-pound pellet hopper with a full bag of hickory pellets. And after filling this bag into the hopper, I can attest that this is a true 20-pound hopper, which is perfect for those overnight smokes. And that light there inside of the pellet hopper is your pellet sensor, which will let you know if you're running low on pellets. Pretty cool feature. Next, you'll see me removing the lower grill grate, the grease drip pan, and the heat baffle, just to make sure the priming of the auger is done properly. And then from your D2 controller, you're gonna go into Auger and then prime Auger. This just takes a couple of minutes, and you'll see that the auger is filling the heat box with our pellets, and the priming is complete. Now let's season our grill. All you have to do is spin the dial to the desired temperature, in this case 350 degrees, tap the dial to lock it in, and then hit ignite. Now while that brushless motor gets things moving, we're gonna put the heat baffle back, the drip tray, and the grill grate. And one of the most exciting things to see on your new Traeger is that smoke rolling. And I just wanted to show you real quick how cool this Traeger app is. It is giving us an exact temperature reading of our grill, so we can check it from our home, work, the grocery store, or the beach. And shout out to this guy, check out my screen recording. He left a comment on my pulled pork carnitas video. It's one of my favorite recipes. I'll be sure to leave a link for it in the description of this video.
20 minutes later.
All right, so the Ironwood has finished the first phase of the seasoning. I let it run at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And now we are gonna bump it up to 500 degrees for 30 minutes. So all we gotta do is just spin this dial up to max, which is 500. And then I'm also gonna set the timer here for 30 minutes. Hold down timer, bump this up to 30. Boom. We can also run that same timer from our app. And this would be a good time to run through some of these other options here. So Super Smoke is only accessible at 225 degrees Fahrenheit and below. I think the grill starts out at 165 degrees, so basically anywhere between that 165 to 225 you can run Super Smoke. So this setting is for whenever you want to just get extra smoke flavor. It's gonna run the auger a little bit differently and allow a little bit more smoke to run through the smoke chamber. So this is really good for low and slow briskets, or really anything that you want to get that maximum smoke flavor for. And then keep warm, this is pretty sweet as well. Basically, if your cook is finished and let's say you're at work or you had to run to the store and grab something, you can hit this keep warm option directly from your app, and that's basically going to drop the temperature down to, I think, 165 degrees, but basically just keeping your food warm. It'll stop the cooking process and allow you to get home from work or wake up. Maybe you were running a brisket all night and you are still in bed, and you can just hit keep warm from wherever you are. It's pretty sweet. And you can see this pellet smoker is heating up pretty quickly to that 500 degree target. And once this time runs out, we will have completed the seasoning process. Now I just wanted to point out a really unique feature of the Ironwood series, which is the Downdraft Exhaust. As you know, there's no smokestack on this grill, and the Downdraft Exhaust feature gives you control of your smoke output by forcing old smoke to exit below where your food is cooked, giving you incredible wood-fired flavor. All right, there we go. So we finished the burn-in for that 30-minute period at 500 degrees, and now I can throw it into cool down mode. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for this grill to cool down. I've also just pulled out a few of my favorite Traeger accessories. I'll run through these real quick, but we've got a couple of spatulas, we've got a heat glove, a few sauces, rubs, and our grill cleaner. Also some additional magnets here to hold some more barbecue tools. So I'm just going to run this cool down mode directly from my phone, and all I've got to do is just hit that shutdown. Slide that down, and now it's in shutdown mode. Also, one thing to note, once you throw it into cool down mode, you cannot turn the grill back on from your phone. You have to be physically at the grill to turn the grill on. I just want to say thanks for checking out this video, and if you do have any questions about this grill or any Traeger grills for that matter, just let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. Also, just as a reminder, if you haven't already, please like this video and drop me a comment below because it really does help me out. And as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss another upload. I post videos weekly, usually about smoking meats on my Traeger grill, along with my offset smoker that I've got back here as well. So until next time, be sure to smoke something outside, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.